Hello everyone, welcome to Coder Hers, and in this video I'm going to explain about how to host a static website on AWS Cloud. So let's get started. So basically this is my local folder of my code or website. I will open this at local. So this is my website. So for hosting your website on AWS Cloud, we have to go to their website and simply search for the services S3 and then enter. So this is S3, so simply click this and open this. So it will take some time according to your internet connection, and then you have to click on create bucket. And actually this is my sample website, so I will give its name like sample web, and then you have to select your region. So I am from Asia Pacific region, so let me select this. Actually I am from Northeast, so let me select Northeast, and then I will take this as a public access and then click on create bucket. So we don't have to include spaces, so let me click hyphen. Actually this is already exists, so give it a unique name like let me give. So this is unique, so click on simply create bucket and wait for some time so that our bucket will be created. So here we have to click on I acknowledge that and then click on create bucket. So new bucket is creating, so simply wait for some time, and now you can see that as a success message like your bucket has been successfully created. So all we have to do is to simply click on this bucket and we have to upload our code. So you can add your code by drag and drop or by clicking on your add files or folder. So let me add the folder. So my folder is basically sample web. So let me click on upload, and here you can see that a warning message, but let me upload this. So there are total 5 files which is uploading one by one. So let me wait for some time and then click on upload. So it will take some time according to your internet connection, so simply wait for some time. And then what we have to do, actually our code has been uploaded, so what we have to do is to simply scroll down and then click on close. After that we have to go to sample web main, this folder, and we have to click on index.html. So here are objectable view, so simply scroll down and you can see that there are a lot of options, but we have to choose the default option and then go to properties, and this is the link, so we have to click on this link. So there is an error because of we didn't till now we have giving the access for public, so just back and then simply wait for some time, and then just go back to this folder. And what we have to do is simply tick this all files and then click on actions and then scroll down and click on make public, and then click on make public, and all our codes has been public, so click on close and then go to index.html and just scroll down, and here you can see an option like so then just scroll down and click on index.html, and then there is a link for accessing that website, so simply click on this and now you can see that we have successfully hosted our static website on AWS cloud. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.